Hey everybody, it is KSJ coming at you with something new today. And today we have 2002 Ford Explorer. Now this is good from 02 to 2010 Ford Explorers that need to change the window regulator. So here's what it looks like. The window regulator. This is for the front driver's side. That's basically what it looks like right there. And I already took the door panel off. If you need to learn how to do that, there's tutorials on YouTube that show you how to take it off. It's relatively easy. It's all like clips. They clip here. There's like these little clips. Basically, you just, you lift the door panel up. You take off a couple screws, like one right here, one down here, like 3 of them. So 1, 2, and then 3. Take these out. Then you lift up the door handle and then pull. Or the door panel. Anyways, so if it's making this noise, let me start this thing up real quick so you guys know what it sounds like. It's making this noise. It's making this noise. Oh, I turned it off too far. Here it is. It's making that noise. I see it. That noise. It's making that noise. Then regulator. So I'm gonna be pausing this in and out, and I'll be right back as I get some more stuff set up. Okay, so I used a 7. What is a 7? I used a 7/16 socket. Done. Yeah, 7/16 socket. I so far took out 4 screws, 1, 2, 4 bolts, 3, and 4. So I'm pretty sure. I want to see if I'm missing anything else, but just in case, I just want to let you guys know. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Be right back. Don't forget to remove this. Okay, another thing I want to note, this is riveted in. So right here. So we're gonna have to drill this out. So I'm gonna need a drill. I got a drill right here. I'm gonna drill out the rivet, and then we'll just replace it with a nut and bolt. Also, so this is where the rivet. So it's riveted here, and then also on the bottom side, which I'm probably gonna do something over there with that as far as getting it, so I can drill it out. But this right here, on the new ones, you're most likely going to have these little things on here. These just pull right off. And this is where your other, your bolts are at. So you can put your nuts on there. Your nuts are actually, so your nuts right here when you take them off. 7/16. So here's the rivet I drilled out. I started with too small of a drill bit, and too small of a drill bit, and I had to go for the bigger one, but then it was a little bouncing around. Anyways, this is what it looks like now. So see, that's a little bit oblong there. Not a big deal. I'll just stick a little bit bigger bolt in there. Not a big deal. You're gonna have to pop this out. This is gonna be stuck right here. Just gonna really just twist and turn it. It's gonna be stuck right in there. Just gotta twist, pull, and then it eventually pop out. So this right here is gonna be connected right here, kind of like so. All you gotta do is just push right here and then pull. It's gonna be a little bit harder than that, obviously. Just wanted to let you guys know. All right, so you gotta get the window down about halfway, and this is where you'll hit your other. You'll see your other rivet. It'll come down to this hole here. So I'm gonna go ahead and bust that out, and we'll be back. So I use a little bit bigger drill bit this time. Get the focus. There we go. A little bit bigger, and yeah. Not as bad there. Actually, looks pretty good considering. Now we're gonna put the new one now. Okay, so this is how it's going to sit. Now, the one that I bought, which I can get you guys for like 35 bucks. I'm not really promoting anything or anything like that, but, you know, I could set something up to where I have like a PayPal link or some kind of like checkout link to where if you guys want this exact one, I could go and get it for you. It already has your nuts in here. Some of them don't. I was looking, doing research. Some of these don't have, and you have to like reconfigure from your old one and like steal nuts and bolts off of them to configure these. So I could save you the hassle and the trouble. You know, just, I don't know, send me a message, shoot me an email or something, and I can get you taken care of. But anyways, so what I did now was I just literally just pushed the window all the way up, and now it's, you know, it's kind of just holding stationary. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna attach this first. So I'm gonna put that one in there first, and just to kind of hold it in place. And then I'm going to, I have these, which I believe are gonna work, but this is 1/2 inch. So I have a washer, the locking washer on it, and I believe this is gonna work. So we'll find out. Okay, I had a little bit of problem getting this in. It is a little bit of a tight squeeze, but basically I took this unit, I stuck it in this way, and then dropped it this way. Now on mine, I have this, I probably could have taken this out, this like screw, but I just had to basically just flex this a little bit, and it, you know, I was able to slide it out without necessarily having to take out this, you know, this special screw, which it kind of just fits right into the motor base just to help keep it stable. Okay, you actually got to put them both in at the same time. I kind of like learned the hard way, messed with this thing for like 15 minutes, but I had to take it back out and you put them both in at the same time. Okay, I also want to make a correction as well. It's 11 mil for these. So 11 millimeter is what you're going to want to use. I used 7/16. It worked, but it was a little bit like loose. So 11 mil is going to be it. So to put in for these four, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well, guys, I made a boo-boo. I used a torque wrench and I ripped it right off. I broke it right off. It's supposed to look like that. Yep, it's like that. So I want to figure something out now. All right, so I broke it here. So I drilled the hole here, and I'm going to put a nut and bolt. I'm going to put a nut and bolt in there just to hold it, you know, got to improvise. So it's about maybe an inch long or so, you know, it's about like right here to my pinky. So nut and bolt, and we should be good. Here it is, nut and bolt with the washer and a locking washer. Had to improvise, needed a bigger washer because this is going to be going just like this. So that's how it's going to be for now. Okay, so I want to show you guys. I'll plug this in real quick. I can do it with one hand or two, I guess, but okay. So I just plug that in, and I have to line this up so I can put my bolt in here. Then I drilled out the rivet. See? Well, let's see if it works. Up, down, up, down. Cool. I'll be right back. Okay, I was trying to get around from not taking off the speaker, but I had to take it off anyways. You don't have to unplug it or anything. It's magnetic, so it'll freaking just stick right under your car door. Okay, guys, so I got the window installed, but I think I might have a faulty motor because it's like it struggles. Look at that, it struggles. So I think I might have a faulty motor, or it's a little bit too tight over here, but who knows. So anyways, got it going, but I want to let you know that's how you fix it. It is fixed. I got everything all hooked up into it. I've been here for hours messing with this thing, but yeah, so that's that, and you guys have a good day. Peace.